Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of Candy Crush. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Candy Crush Saga. Here in this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Candy Crush Saga. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.